Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start lesson number 3. Where go the boats? It's a poem. Okay student, let's start. Student, it's a lesson number 3. Where go the boats? It's a very lovely poem about a boy sailing his paper boats on the river. Okay, and this poem is written by R.L. Stevenson. So student, let me read the poem first of all, and I am explain the line by line. Okay. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flow along forever with tree on either hand. Green leaves a floating castle of the foam. Boats of mine a boating, where will all come home? On goes the river and put past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boats ashore. So student, first line is dark brown is the river. So student, what is the color of the river? It is dark brown. And golden is the sand. What is the color of the sand? Golden. So student, the sand of the bank of the river is golden color. So it flows along forever. The river is flow forever, with tree on either hand. The river was continuously flows with tree on either. Both the side of the river have trees. Green leaves a floating castle of the foam. So many green leaves are floating in the river and sailing of the river. So student, where is the leaves came from? Because both the bank of the river have trees. Okay. The children, castles means palaces. The olden time kings and queen used the leaves. Castle means house of king and queen. The foam means the small bubble that come together when the river flows. When the river flows, some small bubbles come together. When the river flows, speedy, then some small bubble come together like a castle. Boats of mine a boating. Dear children, what is the meaning of mine? Mine means the poet. Okay. The poet is mine. How is the poet looks? He is a small boy. And the little boy put his paper boats in the river. Okay. The next line is, where will all come home? Where will all come home? The little boy has made many paper boats put in the flowing water, and he is thinking and waiting when the paper boats are come. Their next line is, on goes the river. On goes the river means the paper boats are sailing, and they are going both the long of the river water. Okay. The next line is, and out past the mill. And out past the mill means the paper boats are moving, passing by the leaves. Okay. What is the meaning of mills? Mills means a type of a factory. We can say machine. The next line is, away down the valley. So valley means, valley is a place between two hills. So these all boats are passing down a valley. The next line is, away down the hill. So these boats are passing down the hill also. Okay. The next line is, away down the river. Away down the river means these paper boats are going down the river. Long of the river these boats are going. Okay. The next line is, 100 miles on or more. 100 miles or more. It means of these paper boats are traveling, going and moving 100 miles or more along with the river water. Other little children shall bring my boat ashore. Other little children shall bring my boats ashore. The ashore means the riverside. Okay. So this little boys knows that these paper boats is never come to him up again. Now he expecting that and thinking that the other side of the river, the other children must be there. Be there. They will play the paper boats. They will bring the paper boats back to the ashore, back to the side of the river. Okay. Dear children, I hope you understood the poem. Now you have to read this poem aloud, at least twice. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Please read and revise.